Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and try on video. I'm really excited for this box. I'm pretty sure it's been on Instagram for a while now, but I still want to create a look using the products that I received in this box. And today's box is the TRENDMOOD box. I pretty much already opened up this box because I was really excited to see what was inside. I feel like this isn't really like the subscription box that I'm used to, like BoxyCharm or anything like that, because I feel like there's always a very limited amount to the boxes, and it's not like you subscribe to it and you get it every month like BoxyCharm. You kind of have to like buy it every month, I think. I'm still kind of new to TRENDMOOD. This is my first box, honestly, and I was really intrigued with the different stuff that were in here. I do want to create a look using these products, so if you guys are interested in seeing the look that I will be creating using these products, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. I have nothing on my face right now because we do have this sponge right here. This is a new sponge from Makeup Eraser, and I also have a makeup eraser. It's the original pink makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. It contains one makeup eraser cloth. So it's just a cloth, and I believe you can like wash it and stuff. So here's the cloth. Oh, it's pretty big. I thought it was gonna be pretty small, but you just put this under water and you just take your makeup off. And then obviously the sponge here for makeup eraser. This is the first ever machine washable makeup sponge. And then we have the sponge. It looks pretty interesting. We have a little dip on the side here, and then we also have this flat top right here. Alright, so this isn't anything new. This is the Lily Lashes in the style Miami. I do love Lily Lashes. They're more on the dramatic side. Very nice. So along with this did come in with this Lily Lashes Power Liner. So this is an adhesive eyeliner. This next one is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Eye Duty niacinamide brightening cream, safe for sensitive eyes. So yeah, sorry, I kind of butchered that. After cleansing, gently apply to the entire orbital eye area. So it says 98% said it brightened their under eye area, 92% said it helped minimize the appearance of their dark circles. Oh my god, yeah, definitely need this. I am happy with eye creams because I'm always trying to find something to help these bad boys underneath my eyes. It's like this nice shimmery brownie orangey color. And then the next one I have is the Marc Jacobs new mascara. I'm so excited. Alright, the next two products are from Nabla, and I'm so excited because I'm starting to really like Nabla because the products have been really amazing, at least the ones that I've gotten. But this is the Secret palette from Nabla. It's one of their older palettes, but it's still so pretty. I know Nabla has some really good eyeshadow palettes. They just came out with this one right here. This is the Miami Lights glitter palettes. So it looks like this. I am so excited to pop these glitters into my eyes. Ooh. Lastly, we have the Fruit Fetish lip balm from Milani, and we did not get just one, we got 3 of them. I am just going to try to wing this look because the main focus on my eyes will be this glitter anyways. I'm going in with this shade right here, Contigo, and I'm just going to use that as a crease shade. Alright, it does have quite a lot of fallouts, but it's very pretty. I need to go do a touch up on my micro shadings. Okay, I'm liking so far. Welcome to my face, guys. So I'm going in with this red glitter shade right here. I'm just going to apply this with my fingers. Hopefully it does not go all over the place. Apply this. Ooh. God, is gorgeous. I'm going to continue to apply this on the eyes. It has such a beautiful like shift to it. There's like some purple, some green, some gold dust on this color. I'm going with this flat shader brush. I'm going to actually use that to tap the outer corner a little bit. And I kind of just like fix the top part. For foundation, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the dewy version. I'm using the new makeup eraser sponge, and I'm using the bottom part. I'm just tapping it down. I feel like it performed similar to the Beauty Blender. Like, it has the same softness to it. There are some sponge that I can definitely tell the difference. Going in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm going to apply that in the usual areas. This hair is a mess. Using this part right here for the concealer. I like that. I feel like it can really go into the inner part of my eyes. Since I didn't get any face product, I'm just going to quickly finish my makeup off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, and I'm back. And I have all my face products done. I use this Jouer Rose Cut Gem Blush. I used this shade up here and this shade mixed in to create this pinky and rosy blush. And then I used the Laura Lee Los Angeles Glaze palette. I used diamonds for my highlighter on my cheeks and my nose. We are going to quickly finish up the eyes using the Lily Lashes liner and the lashes. So I'm going to use the liner. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna shake it up real quick. It's kind of a bummer that I have to use it on top of this glitter. It was really easy to apply, went on real nicely, very black and matte. I mean, it's not even staying. Am I using this correctly? Okay. Not staying. Okay guys, so I had to go off camera to apply my lashes because the powder liner was not working as an adhesive for my lashes. It kept falling off every time I tried to put it on. I'm not really sure if it's due to me having glitters all over my eyes that's causing it to not stick on it well. So that was a bummer. I really wanted to see if it was gonna really stay on and I didn't have to use any more glue, but it seems like that's still the case. Maybe I'll try again with a new pair of lashes or something and without glitters on my eyes, because I don't know if it's the chunkiness of the glitters making it hard for it to stay on or something. So yeah, I definitely want to try it again, but at the same time I do really like this liner because it did apply like really nicely and it did give me a really nice wing liner, so I'm not mad at that. I want to use the Marc Jacobs Lashed Mascara. I'm just going to put that on my lower lashes because my lower lashes are so short. Like, I just want it to be lengthened. Okay, so it's giving some length to my lower lashes for sure. We're going to quickly finish off the look with some lips. I'm not really sure which one I want to go in with. Maybe this one right here. This one is a little bit brighter. It's the Strawberry Lemonade Lip Balm. Oh god, it smells so fruity. I love it. I did give it a nice glossy, juicy look on the lips. So I'm not mad at that at all. Alright Alright guys, and I'm back, did my hair, and want to talk about the products that I've used today, and I really enjoy them. I think this was a really good box, and I'm so excited to continue using these products. The only issue that I had was the power liner from Lily Lashes, but it wasn't even that bad, honestly. I was able to create a nice liner with it, and I'm really happy with the look I created. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed filming it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my little family here on YouTube. I appreciate that so much. I appreciate all of you for sticking around and watching my videos. This is all that I have for today's video. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!